Hello guys, in today's video we are going to break down the top 5 best survival knives this year. We finalized this list based on price versus performance and situations they will be used in. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best value per dollar or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Kershaw Ken Onion Survival Knife. The Kershaw Blur has a modestly sized recurved blade with speed-safe assisted opening that can be brought to bear on the task quick and easy. It's one of only 2 folding survival knives on our list, and earned its spot by way of that Sandvik, DLC-coated, corrosion-resistant, stainless steel blade, lightweight, reversible pocket clip, one-handed opening and affordability. The handle of the Blur Survival Knife is tough, aircraft-grade aluminum that has Track Tech inserts that allow for a deceptively solid grip. The blade opens quickly and quietly thanks to the built-in, one-handed speed-safe mechanism, and the pocket clip is fully reversible, allowing you to decide whether to carry the Blur tip up or tip down. Beyond all that, the Blur brings extreme portability to the table. It's a trim 4.5 long when closed, so it will fit neatly into any of your pockets. Number 2. ESEE Knives LSP Survival Knife. The Laser Strike Fixed Blade Survival Knife from ESEE is a workhorse. With a high-carbon steel 4 3/4 blade, full tang, forward finger choil for added control, ferrocerium flint kit for starting fires, and one of the most comfortable handles going, it's the one piece of gear you'll lean on more than any other, whether your outing is going well or all hell's broken loose. The Laser Strike is an outstanding medium-sized all-around outdoor utility knife. It's not so big that it's going to impede mobility should you find yourself in tight spots, yet it's more than big enough for cutting wood, whittling tent stakes, cutting underbrush for your emergency lean-to, skinning your trophy buck, or even self-defense should you find yourself besieged. The Kydex sheath holds the ESEE nice and tight with no rattling around, and, should anything go wrong with the knife, you've got one of the best warranties in the business. With the ESEE Laser Strike as part of your outdoor survival kit, your chances of surviving whatever comes down the pike increase exponentially. Number 3. Falkniven A1 Survival Knife. The Falkniven A1 Survival Knife is a serious piece of survival gear intended for heavy-duty applications, but nimble enough for things like cleaning your catch. The laminated VG10 stainless steel used to make the 6 3/8 blade is professional cutlery-grade steel. That's hard but durable and will stand up to rigors of emergency use in atypical situations. Don't let the civilized look and feel of the A1 Survival Knife fool you. If the time comes when you have to chop branches to make an emergency shelter, it will be there to answer the call without flinching. The full tang, which peeks out the end of the handle, can be used to break glass in emergencies, and also ensures the blade isn't going to separate just because you're leaning into it a bit. Overall, the knife is extraordinarily well balanced, can be honed to a razor-sharp edge, and the handle is equally comfortable in cold weather or hot. Who knows, you might even be able to make sushi with it. You'll pay more, but you'll get more with the A1. Number 4. Gerber Prodigy Survival Knife. The Prodigy features a 4 3/4 high-carbon stainless steel blade with full tang and black oxide coating. The textured soft grip with generous flange ensures you'll never experience a catastrophic slip. When you're working the knife hard, and its relatively compact size means you'll have multiple carry options. That oxide coating on the high-carbon blade makes it better able to resist the corrosion that can typically befall this type of steel. And while wear on the blade, it has a serrated edge that can be the difference between surviving and succumbing to the elements, as it will hasten the harvesting of materials for creating your emergency shelter. Overall, the knife is exceedingly well balanced and has the feel of a larger knife. It's also modular, lightweight, load carrying equipment compatible, and comes with various attachment straps including a leg strap for superior versatility. A great all-around survival knife for relatively short money. Number 5. Ka-Bar BK7. The Ka-Bar BK7 Combat Survival Knife was designed for soldiers in the field, who require a knife that for cutting, prying, hacking, carving stakes, defending themselves and more. It features a 1095 Crowvan steel blade that's a full 7 inches long, and a Grivory handle of hybrid glass-filled nylon fiber that allows for a superior grip in all conditions. The full tang chromium vanadium steel blade maintains its edge well, and sharpens easily when necessary. It sports a textured thumb rest for an easier hold and more precise control that extends from the blade end of the Swiss-made Grivory handle. The overall length of the knife is a healthy 12 3/4, so you won't be carrying this in your pocket, but you will be making would-be assailants think twice when you whip it out. This is not to be messed with survival gear for soldiers and adventurers, and considering the affordable price you need to give it serious consideration.